So alright guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I would show you how I was able to make $1,000 plus trading GBPJPY, and I would show you step by step how I cut the trade and how you could have also cut the trade. So this happened on Wednesday precisely. So I want to show you, I'm going to play back price to show you how I cut it, and I'm going to show you the proof that I actually took this trade. Alright, so let's go. So this is my bar replay, so I'm going to take it back to Wednesday. Yeah, okay, so we have this now. So clearly on the this is a forward time frame, and we can clearly see that we are very bullish in market structure. So as soon as I saw this high taking, I know we had a break of structure, and then we had markets pull back as it were. So let me show you guys by demonstration. So we had this move to the upside, break structure, and then we had the pullback, right? And then we had a continuation, breaking also the structure to the upside. Now this is what gave me a confirmation to buy. So I saw this break of structure, and I knew market would pull back. Now, so what did I do? I understood carefully that this was my swing low here, right? We'll do my swing low, which would be, as it's called, the low that is protected. All right, so I have that low. So I have a protected low here, and I have my swing high here, which I know will be a weak swing high. All right, following market structure, because market is bullish. Now, so what did I do? Let me play price a little bit. What did I do? So I took my Fibonacci 2 and I marked from this swing low to this swing high, right? And then all I wanted my price to do was for price to pull back, as it were, down into at least a 50% of the zone, and then I can buy the continuation to take out this high, which is actually a weak high. And this is just basic market structure and all, very simple system. So if you don't understand market structure yet, check the link under this video. You would see access to my Telegram channel where I shared all of these resources for free, and also a link to my paid course for more details and or more access as well. So let's go. So as soon as I had this, I switched down to the 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. So I go to 15 minutes time frame where I caught the entry, as it were. Alright, so follow me carefully, guys. So I'm going to play price a little now, and then show you how I caught this trade. I'm going to show you how I caught this trade, and you will see exactly my thoughts process and everything I did to getting on this trade. So let's go. So I saw markets going down. So market was just doing its thing, and the market finally came down to 50% of that zone. Now let's stop there for a second. So markets came down to this zone, and what did I do? I actually marked out this other block here on 15 minutes time frame to take my entry. All right, I marked this out. So what did the price do? I wasn't so confident with it, so I had to wait for the market to do its thing. And so if you look carefully, you would see that the market actually swept the low of this other block. As soon as I saw that this other block swept, as it were, which gave me as it were like some kind of liquidity taking, I knew that the market was ready to now buy. So what did I do? I had to wait for a change in markets, a shift in market structure internally to confirm my buy. So let's watch what happened carefully. I'm going to play price slowly now so we can all see. So let me play price slowly so you see what I did. So I saw this. So I saw this. I went to the 55 minutes time frame as well. If you look at this carefully, you won't see there's a break of structure here. You won't see it. But if you go to the 5 minutes, you will see it carefully. So let's go to 5 minutes so that I show you how I cut it. So on the 5 minutes, I saw all of this move. I saw this break of structure, right? This one break of structure, and then I saw also this break of structure to the upside. So I knew for sure the market would definitely come back to use this other block here, and so I took my entry from that other block there, and then I targeted the high. So I took my entry from this point somewhere around here, and all so just covering the low, as it were, right? And then I targeted that high, this high point here, and it gave me this high point here. All right, so I'm going to play. Let's see what happened. I'm going to play this, and then you will see. Let me take it back a little so that you can see how it happened. All right, so as soon as I saw this, I knew for a sure that the market was going to use that other block. Now let's go to the 15 minutes time frame so you can see clearly, as it were. So what I simply did was this. I put my entry there, and I covered this bottom, just this bottom. I just covered this one, about 20, 22, 21, 22 pips, as it were. I just covered this bottom, and then I allowed price do 18. So I had this move. That's a 5-1 to 5.8 arrow is to reward. So let's play first and see what price did. So price tapped in, and just kept doing its thing, kept doing its thing, and it just flied up. It just flied up, and that's how I caught this beautiful trade. Hit my TP, closed me out on a profit of $1,000+, and that's how I was able to get out of this trade quickly. I hope this makes sense. So it's what I did here is just simply market structure on the higher time frame, which is my 4-hour time frame, and a confirmation entry on the 15 minutes time frame. All right, so I hope this helps you. You can go back to your chart, backtest this. All right, backtest this and see every process for yourself, and see how you can also utilize this system, and and then jumping on trades as well. So thank you for watching. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy content like this, and I hope to bring more content your way. So bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video. I remain your humble host, teacher, and friend, Clifford. Thank you.